The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is generating a lot of buzz in the world of sports watches, and it's easy to see why. As the next generation of Garmin's highly respected Fenix line, this upcoming model is expected to push the boundaries of what a premium sports watch can do. While nothing is official yet, rumors and leaks are giving us a glimpse of what we might expect when it's finally released. Based on the latest information, we could see the Fenix 8 Pro hit the market sometime between late 2024 and early 2025. And if these early reports are anything to go by, it's shaping up to be a game changer. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is the introduction of microLED display. This is a major upgrade from the traditional LCD screens seen in previous models. MicroLED technology offers several advantages. It's much brighter, meaning better visibility in all lighting conditions, especially under direct sunlight, which is crucial for outdoor sports. It's also far more energy efficient, meaning users could see longer battery life even with a brighter display. On top of that, microLEDs have a longer lifespan, so durability on this front will likely improve, making the Fenix 8 Pro more reliable for long-term use. Aside from the display, another area where the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to shine is performance. Rumors suggest that this new model will offer faster processing speeds, making the overall user experience smoother and more responsive. Whether you're navigating through menus, tracking your workouts, or accessing GPS features, a Fenix 8 Pro is likely to handle tasks quicker and more efficiently than its predecessors. This boost in performance could make a big difference for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who rely on their sports watches for real-time data during intense activities. Durability has always been one of Garmin's strong suits, and the Fenix line is known for being rugged enough to handle tough environments. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin is expected to take durability to the next level. The watch will likely be designed to withstand extreme conditions, making it perfect for anyone from hikers and climbers to runners and divers. Accuracy is another critical feature, and rumors suggest the Fenix 8 Pro will come equipped with improved sensors for more precise tracking. Whether it's fitness, health metrics, or location data, users can expect even better accuracy, making it a top choice for serious athletes and adventurers. Garmin has long been a leader in the sports watch market, and with the Fenix 8 Pro, they're looking to maintain that position. The company has built a reputation for creating some of the most advanced and reliable sports watches available, and this new model could solidify that reputation even further. By focusing on key upgrades like the microLED display, improved performance, and enhanced durability, Garmin is aiming to continue dominating the competition in the sports and fitness wearable space. So, to recap, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive upgrade in the Fenix line. With its rumored microLED display, enhanced performance, and improved durability and accuracy, it looks like Garmin is gearing up to deliver another top-tier sports watch. While we still don't have official confirmation on all the details, it's clear that Garmin has big plans for this model. Keep an eye out for more updates and stay tuned as more leaks and information come to light leading up to the official release.